Hey, how you doing? What's that noise? It gets stronger when I come over here. Do you hear it? What is it? Well, if you know, you know. Comment below. But, yep, that's what it is. So if you guessed I'm making ice cream, you're right. You should like and subscribe to this channel and turn that notification bell on. My channel isn't just about reptiles. I do a lot of outdoor cooking. Who knows? You might pick up a tip or two. Right now, we're making ice cream. But can you guess what flavor? I don't know. You might have to subscribe to the channel to find out, because that'll be in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching.